Hello. I see your lines. Hello, 79 subscribers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new first-time Stitch Fixer with us. This is my Aunt Mandy.
Hello.
You may have already seen Jennifer's video, Cindy's video, Sarah's video, and those are all Mandy's sisters.
But I'm the youngest one.
Your daughter actually helped you fill out your initial style profile.
She did. She wrote that I was a silver fox.
I think it was Busty Silver.
And busty, yeah, busty silver fox.
Did you ask for anything specific from your stylist?
Just casual, kind of fun clothing. My clothes that I wear are mostly to go out, to bars and dinner and listen to music. I love pink. And pink is kind of one of those weird things. I've actually had people comment like, why are you wearing baby pink? And it's like,
because you like
look
it.
At me.
I glow
I belong in it, yeah.
Is it true that you also have professional modeling experience?
I do. I was a plus size model in my 20s. Worked the very, very early morning shift of a home shopping network.
And was it HSN or QVC?
What was the original one?
QVC.
QVC.
Yeah.
I was recognized at one point out in public by a man.
See some
I
pink. Are they blue?
They're blue suede.
Oh,
Which I really actually like blue
that's
suede
a going
shoes.
out to the bars
A
shoe.
little bit of Elvis and all of us.
Oh, look at that. It's like a little Christmas wrapping paper in the back.
Yeah, it is actually kind of Christmassy, isn't it?
It's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Is it a hood? Oh, a cowl.
Cowl.
That's
kind
got
of
some
thing.
pockets
Oh,
down there.
pockets. Oh, kind of wrappy.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah. I'm dying to see this
Oh,
one.
I think it's a coat.
Yeah, tortoise button
Oh, wow.
with a belt
Nice.
and jeans.
What color are those?
Sam Edelman. What does it say? Gray.
Okay.
Have you heard of that brand before?
Oh yeah.
This is the Crew Belted Trench Jacket by 41 Hawthorne, and it is in the color blush.
The color's great. It's nice. The details are cute.
Yes.
I could see wearing it with many items. It's a little springy, so it would be something that would wait in my closet for probably quite a while.
You would have a long winter's nap in your
Mhm.
closet.
It is lined. It's not as lightweight as you would think. It
Mm-hmm.
is a little bit heavier, and again, it does have that stretch.
Underneath the jacket, Mandy is wearing the Market and Spruce Padilla tulip hem cowl neck.
It has pockets. It's a little swingy open. I think I would feel more comfortable with a tank underneath. Nice length. It fits well. Little bit of a cowl, loose cowl neck, but not bulky and annoying.
Moving right along, we've got the jeans. These jeans are by Sam Edelman, and they are called the Stiletto High Rise Skinny Jean.
And they fit, which is amazing because, you know, I can go shopping and try on 50 pairs of jeans and not get a fit.
Really hard for me to find jeans as well, and I've bought 2 pairs from them.
There are pockets.
Real pockets.
And a zipper,
Mm-hmm.
back pockets. They're not jeggings. They're actual
Yep.
jeans with a zipper.
But they're still really stretchy, you said?
Very stretchy. Yep.
Oh yeah,
A
they're
lot of stretch.
Nice.
And a nice length to go with booties.
These booties are the Sandra Suede Booty by the brand Diva, and they are actually navy.
They're a nice height.
Mm-hmm.
They have a little bit of a,
Mhm.
what would you call that, in the back for comfort? Little
Opening.
V. And a little ruching across the
Yeah.
top of the foot. This height is comfortable to walk in and go out for a night and not have to worry about feet hurting.
But Bridget got boots by the same brand. So would you recommend them or not recommend them?
When I first got them, they were like one of the most comfortable boots that I had. And about 2 to 3 wearings in, it started just rubbing.
Rubbing on your foot?
Yeah, but no, when I first put them on, I thought they were the most comfortable shoes in the world, and it's just changed. But I really like those. I might have to ask for those.
Back to the final item. Mandy is now modeling the Market and Spruce Hylia V-neck mixed media top. So the top is kind of business in the front, party in the back.
I think it's actually too plain in the front. Feels like not really good quality. The sleeves are neither 3/4 or full length. And I just, yeah, I'm not like a polka dot.
Do you have any qualms about wearing clothes that match your hair.
I do much better with a color by my hair because this is just gonna wash me out.
First item on Bag It or Untag It is this Market and Spruce tulip hem top.
I think I love it.
I love it.
Untag the blush colored trench.
I love the color, but I'm gonna have to bag it.
Yeah.
It's off season.
The Christmas wrapping party in the back off-white top.
I think that's going in the bag. Going back to Sam Edelman, gray skinny jeans. Keep it up.
Yay!
Keep it up.
Untag. And finally, the blue suede shoes.
Love 'em.
It's your 16th pair of boots.
It's my 16th pair of boots.
First pair of blue ones.
But they're $100.
They're $79.
They're $79?
Yeah.
Ah! Okay, fine.
How do you feel Stitch Fix did for your first box?
Amazingly well. Amazed at how well everything fit. And how they do that, I have no idea. I can shop forever at a store, try on 15 things and nothing fits, but a stranger picks out a box of clothes and it all fits.
Thanks to Mandy. Thanks to all of you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. Mandy is the 5th sister in a family of 9, and she is the 4th sibling to come on this channel.
My mother was a great seamstress. At one point, she made the same very large pattern floral dress for one of my dad's work picnics, and I believe I was 2. My oldest sister is 10 years older, so I wore that dress in 5 different sizes for 10 years.